Review the pre-installation drawings prior to the shipment of your new machine. If you have not received it, please contact us. Before the crated machine is unloaded from the truck, the crate should be inspected for any signs of damage. If suspected damage is found, it must be noted on the bill of lading and signed by the driver and the person receiving the shipment. In the event that damage has occurred in transit, notify the freight carrier and Norfield immediately. Uncrate your machine and place it in its permanent location. Level the machine across both ends and the length of the machine. Adjust the leveling bolts to achieve a level operating machine. Connect electrical and air before a service technician arrives. Do not energize or turn on power to your machine. A certified Norfield technician will verify voltage and energize your machine. For more information, contact us at norfield.com or call us at 1-800-824-6242.